So guys, I'm going to show you an isometric leg curl. So isometric contractions basically mean you're staying still, you're not moving, okay, but it doesn't mean the muscles are not working, okay, they're still under a contraction, hence the word isometric contraction. So the muscles are going to be working hard even though I'm not moving. Another version of this is like a plank, where obviously you're staying still with your hips in high for the abdominals. So we're going to do a similar exercise for the leg curl. So what you're going to do, you're going to drive your heels, make sure your heels are through the ball, okay, we don't want to have the feet too far off, so drive them straight through the ball. Hands are going to go nice and wide for a base, okay, we want them wide. If they're too close, then there's a tendency to roll off the ball. I'm going to lift the hips up, bring the ball into our bum while the hips are off the ground. I'm going to hold for 20 seconds, trying to squeeze the muscles in the hamstrings, but the glutes are also going to be firing because they're going to be off the ground. We're going to try and go for however amount of time is prescribed on the app for your workout. I'll hold this for 10 seconds just so you can see how it's done properly. Final thing, make sure your head stays on the floor throughout the whole part of the movement, and really drive those heels into the ball. So here we go. This is the isometric leg curl with a Swiss ball. Cramping already. Okay, so that's the isometric leg curl with a Swiss ball. Try and get the ball in as close to your bum as you can. Contract the hamstrings, squeeze the glutes, and yeah, give that a go.